Go ahead, take the keyboard here, flip it to the other side, and look for the little cutout here. And then I just use my thumb, just gently get under the battery plate right here, and then just pull up, and that should remove it. And here is where you will find your two AAA batteries here. Go from the end here and just gently push down and pull up. And then that should release one of the batteries for you. And then you should be able to easily remove it. And then the other one, you can just take it out like this. Usually I should just be able to slide it out, but you can just take it out just like this. And then go ahead, reinsert one of the batteries here, slide down. Repeat the process for the other one, and then just gently line the back plate up here. You will find that there are 3 cutouts here that matches the 3 little notches here on the battery plate. Line that up and just gently press down. And then before you check it, make sure it's switched back to the on position here, and then you're done.